I'm sorry that I won't even getting time to make up videos for you. I mean for the review, product review videos. But today I'm just gonna show you a product which I have recently bought from Nykaa. So the name of this product is lip butter, which is a lavender flavor from Organic Harvest company, which is this one. So you will get this at 199 rupees from Nykaa or any other website you can check. So it comes in this way. Like, first of all, it's a twisted packaging. It's a super cute packaging. It's a kind of pencil, but I found it so cute, that this packaging attracted me so much that I thought that why not should I try some lip butter this time. So although I know it's summertime, but still I prefer this one because the packaging attracted me a lot, and also it's so travel friendly as because of its packaging, because it's not a tip top wala cap. It's when you turn it around, it will pop up. See, this is the turning off point, and whenever I'm just switching it around, it will automatically pop up, and after that you can easily twist it. See the twister roll over here, which helps it to lock. Like, it's so good for travel purpose. And after that you can open it up. The product comes in this size. Generally we get lipsticks till this length, but this product comes like this. I have never used it, but yeah, it's my overexcitement feeling made me use it first time. I have used it once. So I just want to inform you that in this lip balm you are getting this shade. This shade is super cool. It's kind of purplish shade. See, this is the color which you will get. So it's a super cool color. I like purple so much, so as a lavender color. And this is the length of this product. Yeah, it comes like a lipstick. Yeah, that's it about the packaging and the product quantity. Yeah, I just want to mention you the product quantity is not written over here. I forgot. I'm really sorry. If I found it in the website, I will definitely mention you in the description box below. Let's try it. Okay, I will give you a hand swatch as well as the swatch in my lips. This lipstick is not a part of this lip balm. It's a lipstick, so don't confuse it. Okay, so I'm giving a lip swatch of this also. Okay, just keep on watching me. And guys, please don't forget to hit a like or subscribe if this video is helpful for you, because I found this product really really helpful or attractive, a kind of cute guy. Yes, it is, because I found this product is not so popular like in the market brand, like Maybelline, Lakme kind of lip balms, but I found it so unpopular, but still it comes in a smooth and as well as buttery soft texture. You will feel when I will definitely show you the hand swatch of it. So see how's the hand swatch. I keep it generally in refrigerator, that it doesn't get melted during the summer times. So see, you can also it's already start sweating, but no harm in that, I believe, if you are keeping it in a refrigerator. I'm giving a hand swatch of it over here. Oh my god, see the color. See the color. This is the shiny texture and it's the color. according to this product, I just want to mention you that it's a melty thing. Like people are telling that this thing is quite melting, but I don't found it to be so melting that it should not be in a bullet. I don't found it's really true, because if you are keeping it a cool place, or if you are keeping it in a refrigerator, then it's fine and it's easy to travel friendly. Nothing like that this product will go melted out from here, because then the company won't bring like this packaging, right? So let's give a quick swatch in my lip. Okay. Hey, as you can check that I have removed my lipstick to show you the proper swatch of this lip butter, Organic Harvest lip butter. So let's apply. That's a color which is coming. I'm showing you from close. This is the lip butter, which is giving this shade after applying. A light purplish shade, not even pink, because it's lavender, so giving a purplish shade. And yeah, it's so creamy, and it's giving you a buttery feeling. Like I can tell you, like, yeah, it's too soft, and my lips are feeling too soft. And also it's so lightweighted, it's nothing like my I'm giving any kind of heavy product on my lips, so I'm feeling it so comfortable. It's not even so glossy, not even so dry. It's so lightweighted, and it's keeping my lips so soft. Yeah, I'm happy with the purchase, and it's giving a sheer purplish tint. Yeah, I'm so happy with it. Just let me know, guys, how you are finding this video to be helpful. And yeah, it's about the product. I'm really happy with the purchase. So guys, after watching my video, I believe it helped you a lot while taking a decision of purchasing this product or not, because as I have felt that this product is to be nice, but it's a quite a bit costly than other lip balms which comes below 150 or 170, but it's coming 200 rupees. Yeah, you just definitely give a try, because in the packaging also it has written that if you don't found it to be helpful, or if something is not proper about the product, please you can also return it to the company. You can also, definitely I will like to inform you that found it to be cute. I don't want to leave it. So yeah, definitely guys, give a quick comment that how did you like my video. And also please, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit a like and subscribe. I definitely agree that I don't get a time, so many time to make the videos every week, but still I definitely try to give a proper review, an unbiased review which can help people, at least without taking any cost from you. But at least if it's helpful, please give a thumbs up. That's all for me. Okay, and thank you for watching my video, and also definitely please support me. And if you find it to be helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.